scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Successive ionization energy questions look scary, but this one is quick. Spot the big jump, infer how many electrons X loses, then match fluorine. Successive ionization energies tell you how hard it is to remove each electron, so the key move is finding where the numbers suddenly jump a lot because that marks core electrons. That big jump means the electrons removed before it were valence electrons, so element X most likely loses 4 electrons easily enough, then resists removing the next one much more. Fluorine forms -1 ions, so an element that becomes +4 balances with 4 fluorines, giving XF4, which matches option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush past the jump. Trust the given ionization pattern and check how charge balance determines the formula.